Hello everyone, welcome to Yarn Barn. My name is Shantae. Here we are going to learn all about different things to do with yarn and the fiber arts. What are the fiber arts? Here is the description. Okay, so that is a description of the fiber arts. So the fiber arts include crocheting, knitting, loom knitting, macrame, and pretty much anything else to do with yarn. Okay, so here is a description of crocheting. And that is what I'm currently into right now. I'm currently on a big crochet kick. I've got several different projects going, which I will show in the next video. So to continue, here is a description of knitting. And here is the best description I could find for loom knitting. I currently do not know how to needle knit, but I do know a little bit of how to loom knit, and after our crochet section is completed, we will go straight into loom knitting, and from there needle knitting. After that, we will probably get into some macrame, and here is a description of macrame. And here is a description of weaving. Okay, so those are descriptions of the different fiber arts. And I am, hang on one moment. So those are the different descriptions of the fiber arts and the things that we will be talking about on this channel. So, also periodically I will be having people join us on the channel to discuss how they got into the fiber arts and what they do most in the fiber arts world. And we will also have periodic videos about my current projects. We will have stitching tutorials, and we will also have tutorials on different parts of the different sections of the fiber arts. So that is it for this video, and we will see you all next time. Bye everyone!